AMPHENOL's M-Series 56 high-speed mezzanine BGA connector system is designed to support high-technology products in board-to-board or flex-assembly architectures. These self-aligning and self-leveling connectors have dedicated 85-ohm and 92-ohm designs and feature a next-generation differential pair contact design for 56 gigabit per second non-return to zero and 112 gigabit per second 4-level pulse amplitude modulation performance. With a 1.6mm column-to-column pitch and 4 and 5mm stack heights, the high-density, high-speed, dual-point M-Series 56 high-speed mezzanine BGA connectors are ideal for advanced data centers, deep learning, and artificial intelligence applications. These connectors serve any and all use cases that are upending their spaces to develop increasingly integrated designs with enhanced efficiency. This trend can be seen in switches, routers, entertainment PCs, gaming machines, car navigation systems, and medical imaging systems.